Hi, welcome to the Destin Business Forum, brought to you by the Destin Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm your host, Amy Perry, and our guests today are Monica Cruz and Michael Johnson. You're both owners of Destin Tax House.
Yes.
Okay, I'm guessing, not sure, but that might have something to do with taxes, right?
Just a little bit, yes.
All right, tell us what Destin Tax House is.
Well, since it is everyone's favorite time of year, taxes, we thought we would open up an office here in the Destin area to assist everyone with their personal and business tax returns. We're also offering record-keeping service, so we are open year-round,
Okay.
so to assist with those needs as well.
All right, so if somebody just needs basic tax returns, you can prepare that for them?
Absolutely, federal and state as well.
Okay.
We have extensive military community experience, so we've had experience with just about every state that requires a state return.
Okay, and how about e-filing? You do e-filing?
Absolutely, amended returns, prior year returns, so we could pretty much handle everything, as well as IRS audit assistance.
I was going to ask you that. If somebody gets that, sweet letter that they love getting from the IRS, hey, guess what? You won the lottery. You're being audited. You don't represent people in front of the IRS, but you can assist them. What is that exactly? What do you do?
What that is exactly is when somebody receives one of those dreadful letters in the mail. It's not always a bad thing, and that's when I can assist with. As soon as you receive one, you'll want to call just so we can find out and make sure what you need to do to clear up the situation that the IRS may need.
You would assist them in dealing with the IRS?
Absolutely.
Okay.
We can get on the phone with the IRS and the client as well, so we can help clear up any situations, financial situations, or even questions that the IRS may have as it relates to the letter that they've received.
Okay. And tell me about your background. Why did you get into this? What are your qualifications? Stuff like that. And I know Michael does this because you love this. So, Michael, we got you covered.
That'll work.
Yeah, he's been great. He's a great
Yes,
background.
whatever she says. Yes.
Well, actually, I've always had a passion for numbers. In high school, even I took accounting, member of FBLA. But right out of high school, I took a H&R Block income tax course so I could become certified to prepare tax returns. That was back in '97. And I've been hooked ever since.
So you really like it.
I really, really like it. It is seasonal. However, because we offer year-round services, it's something that I'm able to do year-round. So I really enjoy it. I love helping people benefit in their financial situations, ensuring that they receive the maximum refund guarantee. And it's something that I've done for a really long time. So,
do you help them with, let's say that somebody comes in and they don't get a refund, but they owe some money. Do you say, okay, let's adjust your withholdings for next year so you don't have this unfortunate thing happen? You do stuff like that too?
Oh yeah, we can review their W-4 situations just to make sure that they're not claiming too many dependents.
Okay.
Because the more dependents you claim, the more money they take out, and that might not be the best situation for them. They can also send money throughout the year to the IRS. That way they don't owe as much at the end, so they're not facing a big tax bill when it's time to file
or anything like that.
the returns. Yes, ma'am.
All right, record keeping. Let me ask you this. If somebody comes in and they say, I haven't filed my tax returns for a while, 5 years, 8 years, whatever it is, and they're fine with that, but they want to get a loan, or they're applying for a job and their job, says, okay, you're compliant with everything. Usually that's a government job, but do you help people in that circumstance? Can you
I've already
untangle that knot?
Yes, I've already had people ask, well, I haven't filed in years, what do I do? File now.
Sure.
Make sure you do what you can before the IRS starts getting involved. You want to clear up that situation. So absolutely, we can go back and make sure that their financial from past to present is what it needs to be so that they can get their loans and homes and things that they want to take advantage of that's out there.
Sure. What's the biggest, I don't know if I want to say mistake, but what's the most common thing that you see people do that they shouldn't do when you're reviewing their records?
Not even really reviewing their records, but I hear a lot of, well, it's easy, I file my own return. And it may seem easy, but there's so many rules and regulations that the IRS has where people make simple mistakes just adding up their W-2s and received an IRS audit letter because of it. So it's one of my favorite sayings is not everyone needs a CPA, but everyone could benefit from a certified tax professional. Spend a little bit of extra money to have someone who knows what they're doing prepare your return. So that way you can make sure that you're getting all the money that you're supposed to and making sure that it's done in the right way.
And you're not paying too much.
And you're not paying too much.
The IRS says they want you to pay the correct amount.
Yes.
Yeah,
exactly.
I want to pay the correct lower amount.
Exactly.
Okay, tell me where you're located. You're on Main Street?
Yes, we are located at 225 Main Street in Suite 5 right here in Destin, Florida. So it is locally owned and operated. So Michael's been here for 2 years, so we are very familiar with the area.
Okay. And if somebody is interested, can they drop by? Do they need an appointment? They call?
Both. Right now, it is call for appointment, but during tax time we'll be open Monday through Sunday to service the community.
24/7.
Pretty much.
Like everybody else. Okay, I think I've covered my question. Oh, you're having a promotion? If somebody goes on and likes your Facebook page, is that right?
Yes, we are on all social media,
Okay.
Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. But currently, right now, we are running a promotion of people check in and like our company Facebook page. They can they'll automatically be entered to win a tax return service of up to $250.
Nice, nice.
And the drawing will be held live on Facebook on the 25th of December.
Wow, you guys really do work all the time.
Yes, we do.
Have I left out anything? Have I covered everything? I covered all my questions. Do you have?
I think that's pretty much
I think
it.
that's about it.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. Anything you want to tell anybody? File your tax returns.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It is for us, so it's only dreadful to those who's not really sure of the situation and the whole income tax laws. But
And it's better just to find out and put their minds at ease. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, come back and see us. All right. And thank you for coming today.
thank you
Will
for
do.
having
Thanks a
us.
lot.
We'll be back.